Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing. Friday, October 11th, 2024. Quick 3-tab repair, uncut, unedited for you guys, because that's what seems to do best. That's what you ask for. So on the way, if you could give it a quick smash of the thumbs up, there'll be less talking in this, because I'm trying to hurry. But we're gonna walk real quick what we're gonna fix. One tab over this gable edge over here. One tab right there, tab right there. So there's 3 tabs. Right here is a 4th tab. And there's a little bit ruffled up right down here that we're gonna start with right here in this section. So we're gonna start splitting apart, quick prep, throw back in with the 3-tab shingles we've got here for replacement. Flat bar to get them out, hatchet, put them in, nails to drive them down, hook blade, straight blade to cut, ladders to get up. All these items I use on a regular occasion will be in the links in the description down below. The telescoping ladder, great for lots of things. Where they have a little Honda Civic you need to get in somewhere, you can fold this thing right down to about 3 foot. The ladder standoff for many different types of ladders so you don't smash gutters and lean on things. The hatchet, all that stuff. So check it out. Now as I put the GoPro on first person view, we're gonna get into this first spot here, jump over and work our way around and get out of here. I'm guessing this repair should be 20-ish minutes. So let's get into it. On the way in, hit the thumbs up button. By you simply taking that one simple action will tell YouTube it's good, recommend it to more, help more people, and I will notice that and try to shoot more of this. I'm probably not going to narrate as much in this because I still got a few stops to do and I want to get done today. Make sure at least the camera's in view here as best you can. I can't crouch my head down any lower. Double check, make sure everything, not missing a nail. Everything's good. Right here, got to cut this. So what we're going to do is use a hook blade, a little tip here. Don't tell anyone. Get your flat bar under it. You can simply cut this right down there and not worry about cutting your shingle underneath. Now that last little bit you can't get your knife to, take this little dent right here, the serration, put it in the shingle like this right here, and just bump it. There you go. This is prepped and ready for shingles to go back in. If you're shoving it up under something like that, or in this row here, and it catches short, you probably missed a nail. Just a little tip there too. Line it up, everything's good, and ready to drive it off. Nails down near the edge. Watch this edge here, because there's a heck of an overhang. Let me show you here. So you'll have sometimes the shingle overhang as well as the drip edge here. So if you nail too close to this edge, you could blow right through here. You don't want to see that. So it's good to just take kind of a mental note where that's at right there. Now with 3-tab, you do need to anticipate where this next keyway is going to be right here, so you don't want to pull it in enough so it's in a keyway there. That's pretty good. Not out the edge, not near that. And then go ahead and nail the field. A lot of guys just do one. Anytime I do repair work, typically like this, you'll nail 2. So it'd basically be right here and right there. If you're ever in doubt, just add a new one. Don't forget, if you cut a shingle, you need to re-nail that off too. All right, less talking and more ASMR. That's what somebody commented the other day. Flat bar ASMR, or ASRM, ASR, whatever it is. The sounds of the flat bar. The repair videos really seem to do best analytically wise and help a lot of people out there. I've noticed a handful of people commenting from the Florida, Georgia areas that were just recently hit by all the hurricanes. So we'll try to double down on this if it helps you guys out there. This roof is old. It is going to need to be replaced before they know it. But again, I do get a lot of the comments out there. People like, oh, I would have got that bought. Yeah, you know, it's good to brag about that. I get it. You're perfect. You're a professional. You're a pro at selling stuff. But not always is that the case when it comes to, well, that's not what I mean to say. What I mean to say is you don't always know the situation of what's going on with people that maybe just bought a home that need to get a repair done or something, that insurance isn't going to cover the house, or maybe their insurance isn't going to cover enough to make it worthwhile, justifiable, whatever the case may be. These videos are not geared or intended to that, because honestly, there's just way too many professional roofers out there on YouTube that do nothing but cover the process of insurance and sales restoration stuff, but they never do the work. They never show it. Then you have the second group of people out there that are the world's fastest. I try not to fall into either of those. All right, last thing to do this is seal down. We're not going to do it right this. Actually, yeah, let's just do it so I can show you. So if you want to stop the video, hurt the analytics. You can see this. The rest will be about the same. GEOCEL 4500 brand, and I apologize. I do try to talk quick because, again, analytically, it seems to do best when you're not talking super slow, because people's attention spans just are not very big. You'll lose them and move on. So the repair videos I did just the other day, they were a bottom seal. These 3 tabs are a top seal. So just the reverse of what I showed the other day. The bottom seals will stick to the bottom. It's this that would not. This, on the other hand, is a top seal shingle. This will never seal. This one will, but these won't. So basically, a few dabs under all the shingles that I had split loose. And this bottom row right here. One thing on the internet, you can never please everybody. You'll please group A, group B will be upset. You try to please group B, you'll piss off group A. Or A and C, or whatever. Catch my drift. That section's done. Give it an hour or two, that sealer will start setting. Let's keep moving. This one's been sealed before because that was a repair tab. You can see these have a lot of cracking going on. Wearing out, really getting kind of bad. This roof needs to be replaced sooner than later. Alright, get this out of here. This has been kind of a weird patch job here. I've seen a lot of people do a 3-tab repair and not just simply put a couple dabs of sealer and then it blows right back out because it'll never seal. Alright, spot 2 is done. I'll come back, grab all the trash, but let's just keep moving with these. There's 2 tabs there I'm going to use. And there are 2 tabs right here I'm going to use. Actually, that one's torn right there. So we still have 3, and I believe there's 3 left. Two, 3, trash. These are just popping right apart. Got 1 nail there. Get this one out. That piece is pretty much loose now, except for the shingle nail up there, if there is one. So we're going to tack that so it doesn't twist and fall out. Now we're going to cut them. The flat bar trick going under is if you're not good or careful, you don't have to worry about cutting the shingles. I've done this plenty long. You hook it and then lift up slightly and then pull. You don't cut your work underneath. If you're wondering why I didn't put the bar under it. Basically line those up, nail it off. One nail here on the left. Sealer. Bottom. Couple 3 dabs. 3, 4, doesn't matter, just not wasting a lot of material, not using a big line. Press them down so they'll sit in the position you want them to set at. All right, moving on. Let's knock out the steep one and wrap up on the easy one. I mean, look at this, you got a lot of creasing, damaged shingles, cracking, glazed shingles. Real quick, I'm going to point out right here, you can see where this keyway comes together, where 2 shingles butt. With this one missing, that could easily pose a problem right there, if it's not addressed. Sometimes if you don't have this tab here missing and it's say that one or that one, there's no keyway, it probably would not pose a problem for a while, but nevertheless, you want to get them addressed and fixed. Be proactive when it comes to your roof repair stuff. Look at this one has never even been nailed. It was never nailed from the install. There's no nail hole here at all. See, factory edge, no nail. How are we doing on time? Am I within my 20-minute allotted time, minus a couple minutes intro? If you could, let me know. Comment down below. Drop down real quick while I'm finishing these couple up. I'd like to hear a comment where you're watching from, what city, state, or country, what kind of repair you're watching for that you have. And if you're a homeowner, DIY, or a contractor, salesman, let me know. I greatly appreciate the support and the comment and the engagement. All right, that one's done. I think I'm going to do it within 20 to 25 minutes. Honestly, I think it'd be about 15 minutes repair. It's moving along pretty good. Hopefully battery's still going. Look at this. This one never even had a nail in it as well. So let's cut this, pop that out, and we'll examine it. I cut this edge, factory edge, no nail hole there. Whoever did this install missed nails. God, something bit me. ladybug, or no, they call those bitch bugs. I think there was the true thing. I'm not sure. I haven't really totally looked into it, to be personal, blatantly honest here, but pretty sure Purdue University, somebody did an experiment with some ladybugs, and the experiment went bad, and there's a bug that was kind of crossbred or whatever, I don't know, but it's not a ladybug. Ladybugs are red and black spots. Bitch bugs are orange and black spots, and they're kind of experiment gone bad, and they're not a good little bug. Not positive. Maybe I'll fact check that statement. Dabs and seals. Dabs and seals. There we go. Pressed them down. Gather my tools, my trash. Ah, daggone. I loaded up on nails. My pouch on that side is full. That just added about 20 seconds. I didn't hear anything go down any further into the gutter. Oh, one into the gutter. There we go. Nothing fell. All right, slow it down. Nothing else missing. Carefully drop this. Missed the antenna. Set these here. Go after the other trash and wrap up. Good shingle. Trash. Look at all this glazing, cracking, spidering. Little pieces in the pouch. And a quick look over. Oh, got that one. We're not done yet. We got to get down. We'll consider just getting down from the second story to the first. Wrap the video up in the shade right here. Careful not to get my big boot onto the antenna. There we go. Time on the screen, 17 minutes, 25 seconds, not bad. I think I beat my own expectation there, plus the commentary and doing the video intro and everything. If you guys did get anything beneficial, quick thumbs up definitely helps support the channel. Any tools, things you might need to watch, check the links in the description at no additional cost to you. It does help support the channel. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. Hit the subscribe, ring the bell notification so I can you can be notified when I post it. As always, until next time, be safe. I appreciate the support, and we'll see you on the next one.